Here we are on our newest listing right here in Thorntown. The address is 1575 North 700 West. I'm super excited to show you this property. It's 6 acres of land. It's got its own pond and a barn. Let's go check it out. Come on. Here we are inside of our home. This property boasts a 4-bedroom, 2.5 bath. It also has a bonus office space and a finished basement. What I really enjoy about this particular property when you come in, lots of open space. As you can see, we're here in the living room and it opens up to your kitchen. Check it out. Here we are in the primary suite. What I think a future buyer is just going to absolutely love is the finished, brand new looking bathroom, and then check out that master closet. It's to die for. Take a look. Hey, thanks for taking a tour with us out here on this wonderful listing we have. If you have any questions about this property, don't hesitate to reach out to me. My name is Landon Bushing. I'm your local listing specialist right here in Indiana. My contact phone number is 260-573-6316. I hope you make it a great day.